Not enough minerals.
This is Deborah Green, Guildmaster of the local Kelmorian mining crew. My people have to be evacuated as soon as possible. Our ships can't start their launch sequences without attracting the infested. We need you to protect us until we're up in the air.
We require additional overload.
We have several ships ready for launch. Head out to one of them when you're ready so that it can prepare for liftoff.
I live.
More overlords required. Not enough minerals. We need more minerals. We require... Not enough minerals. We need more minerals. Our allies are in combat.
Deployment advised. Potential for multiple toxic nests. Must use.
We require more minerals. Not enough minerals. Our allies need more minerals. Our allies not enough minerals. Our forces have met the...
My people don't have much time. They gotta launch soon, whether you're there or not.
We require more minerals.
Ship's engines are firing up, and the infested are on their way. You have to help.
Our forces are under attack. Complete.
Don't let the infested destroy the ship. My people's lives are at stake. That ship's plating won't keep the infested out for long. You need to fight them off.
Enemy forces approaching. Defense required.
Our allies are in combat.
Ship's ready to go. Commanders, feel free to pull back from that launch point.
combat. Our allies' base is threatened. Evolution completed. Our forces have met the enemy in combat. Our allies' base is threatened.
The infested are one thing, but Amon's forces are an even bigger threat. Take them out.
We need more minerals. Evolution complete. We require. Our forces have met the enemy in combat. Our allies are in combat.
Think the infested are bad? Blightbringer puts them to shame. Kill it if you can.
Evolution completed.
That bought that ship a little more time. It might make all the difference.
Combat. Not enough minerals. We need more minerals. Our allies are in combat. Our forces are under attack. Not enough minerals. We require more minerals. Evolution complete. Our allies are in combat.
Progress.
Our allies are in combat. Spawn more overlords. We need more minerals.
A ship is gonna make a run for it. It won't get far without you.
Our allies are in combat.
Won't bring back the people it killed, but thank you for at least giving them justice.
Our forces have met the enemy in combat.
The enemy hunts us, but they shall be the hunted.
That ship needs your help, Commanders. It won't survive the infested without you.
Our forces have met the enemy in combat. Our allies' base is metamorphosis complete. Our forces have met the enemy in combat.
Toxic
Our
nests.
forces are under attack.
Ordnance advised.
Our forces are under attack. Our allies are in combat. Our forces have met the enemy in combat.
Those eradicators are out of control. They could be dangerous. If you can, try to break them down. Fair number of my people have made it to orbit, but we've still got a ways to go. They're heading for the ship again. You know what to do.
Leviathan, largest of Zerg. Powerful evolution.
Our allies are in combat. Our forces have met the enemy in combat. More resting required.
We've got a problem. One of the ships is getting ready to launch on its own. You just saved a lot of lives, Commanders. We owe you big.
Our allies are in combat. We require more Vespine gas. Our allies are in combat.
To me, Bakron.
Our allies' base is threatened.
Enemies gather. We must withstand them.
Ship's starting to launch. Help them before it's too late. You busted up the eradicators. Damn things did squat to protect us.
Our allies are in combat. Our forces have met the enemy in combat.
Toxic nests ready. Deployment
Evolution
advised.
complete. Our forces are under attack. Our allies are in combat. Our forces have met the enemy in combat.
Cloaked enemies.
Our forces are under attack. Evolution.
Incoming enemy attack. They're headed for one of the ships. Here they come. That ship won't last long against them.
Our forces have met the enemy in combat.
Evacuation efforts are going well, Commanders. Just gotta keep protecting those ships.
Combat. Our forces are under attack. Our allies are in combat.
People on that ship are cheering for you. Hell, so am I. We just might get out of here alive after all. guard up. You'll have to keep the infested at bay.
Attack. Our allies are in combat. Our forces have met the enemy in combat.
The enemy is near. Kill.
Our forces are under attack. Our allies are in combat.
Engines to full, ships in the sky. Those people get to live.
Our allies are in combat. Our allies are in combat. Our forces have met the enemy in combat.
Keep holding the line, commanders. Evacuation is almost complete. The enemy's making a beeline toward a ship. Don't let them reach it.
More Vespene required.
Our enemies come. Strike swiftly.
Evolution complete.
Well, that's one fewer disaster to worry about. Thank you, commanders.
Forces have met the enemy in combat. Our allies are in combat. Our forces are under attack.
Evolution continues. Swarm grows stronger.